Welcome back! This is part 2 of our Fill the Fridge mini-series. In case you were wondering, the background is empty because we're just getting started. The more we collect and the more projects we complete, the background will start to change accordingly. Our first mini today is from Pizza Hut. Looks like it's the Hawaiian pizza. Up next, we have the Kikkoman traditionally brewed soy sauce. And some broccoli florets. A jar of kombucha? I've actually never tried this in real life. Have you? Let me know in the comments. Is this Panda Express container fried rice or chow mein? I can't tell. We've got the grocery list magnet. And today's last mini is a turmeric shot. Follow for part 3 and see you in the next one.